Hi, this is George Petrov from DMXzone.com. In this video today I will show you how easy it is to build a Windows app with the DMXzone Cordova Builder. If you watch my previous videos, I'm using the same HTML5 and CSS site to build a Windows app. When starting the Cordova Builder, you have a menu with an option of all the available targets. As you can see here, I've already experimented with some targets like Android and BlackBerry, and now I'm going to build a Windows app. So I choose the Windows option. You see that I haven't installed the Windows platform files yet, so the builder asked me if I want to do that, so I choose yes. All the supported Windows files are now being installed. Having the Windows platform files installed, I can choose for what kind of Windows platform I want to build my app. This is a universal app. This means that it runs in Windows 8.1, Metro and desktop as well, also Windows Phone 8.1. I can choose on which target I want to deploy the app, if I want to deploy it on Windows or if I want to deploy it on a Windows Phone. I'm more interested on a Windows Phone, so I selected it. You can choose various emulators from the different screen sizes that are built in the Windows 8.1 phone. Let me just choose a default one, and if you press the Run in the Emulator button, your Windows app will be prepared and directly run on the Windows Phone emulator. As you can see, the emulator is being started directly from within Dreamweaver. The application has been installed and is directly run on my Windows Phone emulator. The application performs as expected. Everything is working. The slideshow and even the Google Maps are all loaded well. And you can test it. When you don't need it, you can switch off the phone or close the emulator. When deploying the app to a real device, you might want to open first your project in Visual Studio. Visual Studio is the main development environment for Windows applications, and there are a few tools over there, especially for registering Windows phone devices. If you want to try your app on a real Windows Phone device, you have to register it first as a developer device. So you have to unlock it. I've connected my Windows Phone to this PC and already unlocked it, so I can deploy my application on there. You will need a Microsoft account to be able to download a certificate and register a developer phone, which you can get with the Microsoft Windows Store. when you register as a developer over there. You can even run the Windows Phone emulator directly here from Visual Studio. As you can see, the Universal app contains a few deployment targets. It contains a Windows Phone app, a Windows 8.1 app, and a Windows 8 app as well. We choose that we want to deploy the Windows Phone 8.1 app. Here you can choose the emulator or the really connected device. If you're using a real device, as I said, you have to register it first, and the first time you have to deploy your app through Visual Studio, and after that you can deploy it directly from Dreamweaver when you're doing some changes and directly deploying to the device. So I can choose to run it on device. Yes, it's already installed, but I want to install it again. And my app is now running on the device. And I can stop it if I want. And close the Visual Studio. So I can do the same directly here from Dreamweaver, deploy to device instead of emulator, or run the app and it will open directly on my device. The other target platform that you can choose is just the regular Windows 8.1 Metro desktop, and we can run it, our app, directly as a Windows app. And when it is compiled, it will be automatically installed in your current machine, and it will open as a full screen app that you can navigate and use. You see, it is very convenient that we use the Bootstrap 3 framework for this app, because it makes it fully responsible, and even now on a bigger screen my app is looking very good. This concludes our demo of DMXzone Cordova Builder for Windows apps. Thank you for your attention.